Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be looking at text to columns. Who hates it when they go into work or open up a spreadsheet and they've got data, which pretty much looks like this, where you've got first name, second name in the same cell, so you can't really, you can't really pull off your lookups and so on because of the way the data is presented. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So basically, if you go over the top of highlight the column that we're looking at, and if you click data, go over to text to columns, click delimited, next, and space. So the reason why you're clicking space is because in between each word or each name there, you've got a space which separates the name out. So you can see in this little box here, where you can see what's happening with the text to column wizard, you can see that now it's splitting out the names. Click next, finish, and bang, there you go. You've got basically the data split out now. It's created a little duplicate at the bottom. Just delete that, and there we go. That's a nice little trick right there. So yeah, if you like my videos, subscribe please, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks guys.